Have you ever imagined a place where the roar of engines meets the elegance of British heritage? Welcome to the Goodwood Festival of Speed 2022, where motorsport legends and cutting-edge technology converge. Held from June 23rd to 26 at the picturesque Goodwood Estate in West Sussex, England, this event is a haven for car enthusiasts worldwide. It's not just a car show, it's a celebration of speed, innovation, and automotive history. From vintage classics to futuristic prototypes, the festival showcases a diverse range of vehicles. In this video, we'll delve into the highlights, stories, and unforgettable moments of the 2022 festival. So buckle up and join us on this exhilarating journey through the Goodwood Festival of Speed 2022. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now let's rev up our engines and dive into the heart of the festival. Are you ready? Let's go. The Goodwood Festival of Speed is an annual hill climb featuring historic motor racing vehicles held in the grounds of Goodwood House. It's renowned for its unique blend of motorsport culture and family-friendly atmosphere. The 2022 edition continued this tradition, offering attendees a chance to witness the evolution of automotive engineering. From the thunderous V8s of yesteryears to the silent speed of electric hypercars, the festival had it all. One of the main attractions is the iconic hill climb where drivers push their machines to the limit on a challenging 1.16-mile course. Spectators lined the track, cheering as cars sped past, each with its own story and legacy. The event also featured the Future Lab, showcasing groundbreaking technologies shaping the future of mobility. Families enjoyed interactive exhibits, while enthusiasts marveled at the engineering marvels on display. The festival isn't just about speed, it's about passion, innovation, and the shared love for automobiles. Whether you're a die-hard petrolhead or a casual observer, Goodwood offers something for everyone. It's a celebration of the past, present, and future of motoring. The 2022 festival was marked by a historic achievement. The McMurtry Spearling, an electric fan car, set a new hill climb record. Driven by Max Chilton, it completed the course in a staggering 39.08 seconds, surpassing the previous record set in 1999. This feat showcased the potential of electric vehicles in high-performance motorsport. The Spearling's innovative design, featuring a unique fan system for downforce, captivated audiences and engineers alike. Its success sparked discussions about the future of racing and the role of electric technology. Beyond the Spearling, the festival featured numerous other impressive runs, each demonstrating the prowess of modern engineering. From classic Formula One cars to contemporary supercars, the hill climb was a spectacle of speed and skill. Drivers navigated the challenging course with precision, thrilling spectators at every turn. These moments weren't just about breaking records, they were about pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. The festival served as a platform for innovation, inspiring the next generation of automotive pioneers. It's a reminder that, in the world of motorsport, the pursuit of excellence never ceases. While the festival embraces the future, it also pays homage to the rich history of motoring. The 2022 edition featured a stunning array of vintage vehicles, each with its own story. Attendees had the opportunity to witness iconic cars from different eras, meticulously restored to their former glory. These classics weren't just static displays. Many participated in the hill climb, showcasing their enduring performance. The juxtaposition of old and new highlighted the evolution of automotive design and engineering. From the elegant curves of pre-war models to the aggressive lines of modern supercars, the festival was a visual feast. Enthusiasts engaged in conversations about the legacy of these machines and their impact on today's vehicles. The presence of legendary drivers added to the nostalgic atmosphere as they shared anecdotes and insights. This celebration of heritage serves as a bridge between generations, connecting the past with the present. It's a testament to the enduring allure of automobiles and their role in shaping our culture. At Goodwood, history isn't just remembered, it's relived. The festival is also a prime venue for manufacturers to unveil their latest creations. In 2022, several brands took the opportunity to showcase new models and concepts. BMW, celebrating 50 years of its M division, presented a striking central feature and displayed both classic and contemporary M cars. Porsche introduced the 963 LMDh race car, signaling its return to top-tier endurance racing. Lucid Motors made waves with the global reveal of the 1050 HP Lucid Air Grand Touring Performance. These debuts weren't just about aesthetics. They highlighted advancements in performance, sustainability, and technology. attendees explored interactive exhibits, learning about the innovations driving the automotive industry forward. The festival's atmosphere fostered direct engagement between manufacturers and enthusiasts. Questions were asked, insights were shared, and connections were made. This dynamic exchange underscores Goodwood's role as a hub for automotive progress. It's where the future of motoring is not only displayed but also discussed. For fans of high-performance vehicles, the supercar paddock was a highlight of the festival. It featured an impressive lineup of the world's most desirable supercars and hypercars. From established marques to emerging manufacturers, the diversity was astounding. Visitors admired the sleek designs, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled performance specs. Many of these vehicles participated in the hill climb, offering dynamic demonstrations of their capabilities. Adjacent to this was the first glance paddock, where upcoming models made their public debut. This area provided a sneak peek into the future of automotive design and innovation. Attendees had the unique opportunity to see these vehicles up close before their official market release. The excitement was palpable as enthusiasts speculated about performance, pricing, and availability. These paddocks exemplify the festival's commitment to celebrating both current achievements and future possibilities. It's a space where dreams on wheels become tangible realities. Beyond the high-octane thrills, the festival offered a plethora of interactive experiences for attendees of all ages. The Future Lab presented by Randox showcased groundbreaking technologies across various sectors. Visitors engaged with exhibits on autonomous vehicles, sustainable energy, and advanced robotics. These displays aim to inspire curiosity and spark conversations about the future. For families, there were dedicated areas with activities designed to entertain and educate children. From racing simulators to hands-on workshops, young enthusiasts were immersed in the world of motoring. Food stalls and artisan markets added to the festive atmosphere, offering a variety of culinary delights. Live music performances provided a soundtrack to the day's adventures. The inclusive environment ensured that everyone, regardless of their automotive knowledge, felt welcome. This holistic approach to event planning underscores Goodwood's appeal as more than just a motorsport festival. It's a celebration of innovation, culture, and community. The 2022 festival attracted a host of celebrities and motorsport legends, adding star power to the event. Fans had the chance to meet their heroes, collect autographs, and capture memorable photos. Notable figures from various racing disciplines participated in the hill climb and other activities. Their presence bridged the gap between professional motorsport and the general public. Engaging talks and panel discussions provided insights into their careers and perspectives on the industry's future. These interactions humanized the legends, making them more accessible to fans. The festival's atmosphere encouraged spontaneous conversations and shared experiences. It's rare to find an event where fans and icons coexist so harmoniously. This unique dynamic contributes to the festival's enduring popularity. At Goodwood, the line between spectator and participant blurs, creating a truly immersive experience. It's a place where legends aren't just celebrated, they're part of the